Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by opening Bluetooth settings on your phone or laptop. Locate the list of paired and available devices. You need the exact device name, or MAC, to avoid blocking the wrong one. Once you see the target, tap its entry to reveal options. Do not pair or connect. Make sure device visibility is turned off so strangers can't rediscover you, and note whether the device is currently connected. If it is, stop the connection before the next step. Now you will unpair and block. Tap Forget or Unpair to remove stored keys. This prevents automatic reconnection. Next, use your operating system's block or blacklist feature if available, or install a reputable security app that can deny pairing by MAC address. Change your Bluetooth PIN or set pairing to require confirmation so unauthorized devices cannot pair. Once done, test by attempting a new connection from the blocked device. It should be denied and fail to pair without your approval. Finish by restarting Bluetooth and, if needed, rebooting your device to ensure settings apply. Monitor for any reconnect attempts. Persistent connections usually mean stored credentials or a device using a different profile. If the blocked device still connects, update your device firmware and security patches, then reset network settings to clear cached pairings. If problems persist, a factory reset will remove all pairings. Use as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: verify you blocked the correct MAC address.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.